Cesaria Barranque. Pass to begin. Danari inside Newton. Then followed by Talaga. Play the music. Colossal. Then followed over on the outside by I Survive. Mutiarang Pasig. Salvatore. And Secret of the West. Getting some problem and going along for the first turn. Arranque by about 2 lengths. New Dawn in second and in third. Play the music. 3 lengths in fourth. Moving up now is Mutiarang Pasig. Danari inside is Colossal. Then next on line, I Survive and Talaga. Salvatore trails the field. And it's still Arranque by about 2.5 lengths. New Dawn in second and on the outside. Play the music. Moving up on the outside port now is I Survive. Down on the inside. Colossal and Mutiarang Pasig. And it's still Arranque by about 2 lengths. I Survive now moving up to take second. Play the music. Dress back in third. Colossal, New Dawn. Then followed by Mutiarang Pasig as they come down at the last 150. Arranque now strides away by about 5 lengths. I Survive in second. Play the music. Colossal, Mutiarang Pasig, New Dawn. Last 100 meters. We have Arranque now by about 7 lengths. Entering the finish line, Jackie Jepril. Tagulaw, Zarate, Arranque. Second, I Survive, Colossal. Then comes Play the Music, Salvatore, Mutiarang Pasig, New Dawn, and Talaga.